banana pudding, white chocolate chip cookies. Take one.
That's a mouthful.
Oh, yeah, it is. Hopefully, it'll be a good mouthful.
I bet it will be.
All right, guys. So first off, we're going to put in 12 tablespoons of butter, which is 1.5 sticks. Already got a half a stick in there, so here goes the other one. I had it sitting outside, so it's a little runny. Okay. And now we've got 3/4 cup of brown sugar that we made. If you want to see that video, check that one out on how we made it. It smells so yummy. And 1/4 cup of just white sugar. And then we're going to mix that up. Give it a little mixy mix. I don't know if you can see in this bowl or not. It's a pretty deep bowl. But this is one of my first bowls. It actually is the first bowl that I bought for the channel. I bought it at the flea market. I was like, oh, I love that bowl. It's a crock, a red crock. It says Chestnut Creek on the side. Dark in here. I couldn't tell what it said. Forgot. Chestnut Creek. I think we gave, what, $5 for it?
I think it was.
I love it.
It's been used a lot since we got it.
All right. Now we're going to put in our Jell-O pudding mix. This is what we're using. 3.4 ounce of Jell-O banana cream pudding.
Is it instant or cooking syrup?
I'm hoping it's instant. It just said, it doesn't even say. There it is. Instant. Instant. Listen at him right, asking all the right questions. It's what I found in my cupboard, so I was like, oh, well, let's make something with this. Because Billy don't like his banana pudding made with this. He wants it homemade custard.
Yeah.
Because he's special that way.
Because you do a good job making it.
All right. Got that mixed in. Now we're going to mix in 2 eggs. All right, like that.
Farm fresh.
Farm fresh from my friend, Cindy Lou. All right. Now we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm thinking here, if you wanted to mix, like use a half a teaspoon of banana extract and a half a teaspoon of vanilla, you could probably do that. But we're just going to put in the vanilla and give that a little mixy mix. All right. So now I have 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda in here. We're going to mix that and give that a little stir.
And you could probably add some walnuts as an option if you wanted.
Listen, if you want nuts in this, you could. But we're putting white chocolate chips in it.
Smells good, doesn't it?
All right, I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I got a yellow light on my mixer. He's ready to be charged. I haven't charged it for a few days.
Oh, can't have that.
I know. All right. Put that all in there. And now we're just going to stir in 1¼ cups of white chocolate chips. Right like that. Oh man, this smells so good. And so easy, guys. How many minutes was that we got this together?
4:49.
4 minutes and 49 seconds. Granted, I had everything laid out, but so easy. We try to give you easy recipes because that's all we want to do. Stir you up a quick snack for the kids after school or just whenever you want one because...
Or for Grandpa.
Yeah. All right. Let me get this all cleaned up and we'll be right back. All right. All cleaned up. Here we go. I got my pan out here with my parchment sheet. Here's what we're looking like. Nice thick batter. Then I'm going to use my scoop here. And we're going to bake these at 350 for 8 to 9 minutes. Then we'll see what we got.
I'm guessing they're going to be about 10 to 11.
You guessing. It probably will be. Because these are big scoops.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that. Because they're big.
This is my bigger scoop. I used to use my little scoop all the time when I was taking them to work and giving them away. And they were like, why do you make them so small? I said, I make them small because somebody just may want to taste it. And then if you want more than one, you can get more than one. I don't care. Okay. Because, you know, when they say, oh, I only had one cookie. They're like, no, I had 4 cookies, but they were this big around, this little. All right, guys, 350-degree oven. We'll be back when they're done. All right, guys, so I have a little bit left here. I've made 18 cookies, and I got this little bit left in the bowl. And we have these marshmallows like is in Lucky Charms cereal, the dehydrated. I'm going to put some of those in there just to see what those are like. I might put too many.
Nah, I doubt it.
So, we're going to try that. We got these bags like this from an Amish store, but you can get them at Rural King too, in case you guys ever want to get some. Yeah, I think there's a little too many down in here, but
it'll be all right.
We're going to make some cookies out of it.
It'll be all right.
And I had my cookies in the oven for 10 minutes. Ooh, this one's got a lot of marshmallows.
All right.
I know you don't care, but I don't know how they'll cook up. But this is experiment.
Because that's what we do.
We do it so you don't have to if it messes up.
We like to try new things, so adding stuff to recipes and whatever.
So guys, let us know if you try this recipe, what you would add to it or not.
Like I said, I think you could add some walnuts to it or pecans, whatever. Would be good in it.
And my hands are clean. I don't know how you feel about gloves, but I don't like to wear the gloves because...
I think they're unsanitary.
Yes, people touch stuff and then they still... Yeah, no.
Yeah, they put the gloves on, they open packages and stuff with it. And
I can wash my hands.
yeah, exactly.
All right, guys, so we're going in the oven for 10 minutes with these. And we're going to taste test these. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10-minute timer started.
All right. So here's what they look like. I don't know if you can see them.
Mm-hmm.
They're nice and they poofed up. So if you doubled this scoop, made a big one, like it'd be bakery style cookie. All right, let's see what we taste like.
It's got to be good at banana.
It is delicious. Mm-hmm. I'm glad I didn't use the banana extract. That would have been too much.
Yeah.
This has plenty of banana flavor in it.
I think the extract is overpowering.
Yeah. And it's so good. I'm trying to think. I bet those with the marshmallows will be even better.
I bet they will.
Yeah, it's so good. These I will make again. This will be on one of my list of repeat cookies.
And maybe we can do a short on the taste test for the marshmallow ones.
We can get him to do one, maybe. Him, as in Billy.
They don't want to see me.
All right, guys. Give this one a try. Let us know if you do and if you like it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, all the things. And help us grow, please. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out.
We appreciate y'all.
We sure do.
Later, Gator.